Dzambala is the Buddha of miserliness. The main cause of us not to be successful in our work, in our business, in our endeavors, in our projects, is the cause we have created in the past from being miserly. Why? If you say God punished you, why does God punish you and not others? Why do they punish some and not some? It doesn't explain. So it must come from yourself. Karma. Must come from karma. Now, if you make meditations, practice recitations, and visualizations on Dzambala correctly, Dzambala has a type of enlightened energy that purifies miserly karma. So Dzambala doesn't give you money. Dzambala doesn't give you wealth. Dzambala doesn't give you good projects. Dzambala doesn't give you good work or smooth ride. Dzambala helps you to collect the merit in order to achieve that and purify the demerit that stops you from achieving that. So therefore, is Dzambala God? No. Therefore, it does not contradict the Buddha's teachings on cause and effect. Lende. If you praise the Dzambala and he gives you wealth, it contradicts the law of cause and effect. How can a God intervene in your karma if Shakyamuni doesn't? Illogical. Hence, when you tap into Dzambala's energy and you practice Dzambala's practice and you do Dzambala's practice, it helps you to collect wisdom, greater compassion, more patience, and acceptance of one's wrong, and hence be able to contemplate on one's wrong and regretting and doing the practices to purify. When you purify your negative karma from previous times of miserliness, selfishness, greediness, then you will have success. If you have tuberculosis and you have a fever, just taking Panadol removes the fever for a few hours and then it comes back. Remove the tuberculosis. Dzambala removes the actual cause of your problems. In this case, miserliness. Miserly isn't just money, it can be emotional. Are we controlling? Do we want things our way? Do we control our husbands and our wives and our friends? Must everything be on our view and we don't like it? We show a black face, we show black body action. We want it our way. That's miserliness. Why? Because in the end, no matter how beautiful, how young, how wonderful you are, you will be alone. You will be alone. So when you practice Dzambala, it purifies that type of emotional energy. Then you can open up, let people be their way, do things another way, see another perspective, become more giving. Giving isn't only money. No. It's emotional giving. So when you do Dzambala's practice correctly, you offer that to Dzambala. Looks like toilet water. Just kidding. Nice bag. Now, if you do Dzambala's practice correctly, what happens? You become less miserly. You let other people win. You do things another way. You become more generous. And you know what? People you don't get along with, people that bother you, they don't change. You change. And when you change, they change. If we always sit around waiting for people to change, we can wait our whole lives and die. They never change. But if we change, there's a higher chance. Why should we change and not they change? Because you have wisdom, you have heard the Dharma. Simple. So therefore, when you do Dzambala's practice correctly and well and continuously, you become less miserly, less greedy, less selfish. Then your projects will go through. Then people like you. They want to do things with you. Then people forgive you, you forgive them, you become more friends, more help, less loneliness, less depression, less clubbing. And when you do Dzambala's practice, it collects the merit of generosity. Hence, your fortunes will go up. Yes! For all you Chinese and Chinese wannabes, money. His name's not Dzambala, it's Tsembala. Money. That's right. It will be blessed. But Dzambala's practice is not just money. It confers a lot more because Dzambala is not a god. He is not a disciple. He is a fully enlightened 10th level bodhisattva. Manifested as a 10th level bodhisattva. That's why he's within the Kriya Tantras. He is a perfected Yidam, a Yidam we can take refuge in. So when you do his practice well, it'll be excellent.